Do you know the world's most powerful digital system made a move today that rendered thousands of offices, laptops, and workflows obsolete in a single moment? Oh, viewers of the world, the question is no longer whether artificial intelligence is coming. The question is, can you turn this storm to your advantages? Imam Ali alayhi salam declared, "Ask me before you lose me." Today's digital pulpit raises that same challenges when the doors of knowledge are swinging open. Are you knocking? Or are you being left behind? Stay with me until the very end because the answer is waiting at the final frame. Gemini, the multi-format knowledge engine. Viewers, Google Gemini is no longer a standard chatbot. It has evolved into a sovereign multi-format export engine that creates complex operational files in seconds. Think about what that means. You upload your handwritten, chaotic notes, and Gemini synthesizes them into a jaw-dropping Google Docs study guide. You feed in raw financial data and it constructs a pristine Excel financial dashboard natively right inside a single window. Word files, PDF, Google Sheets, complex presentation, all of it in seconds. Viewers, Imam Ali alayhi salam declared in Nahjul Balagha, Al-ilmu sultan, knowledge is sovereignty. Nahjul Balagha, Hikmah 147. And today, when a digital system carries the power to shape knowledge into every possible forum, it reminds us that spreading knowledge is the weapon that defeats falsehood. This technology has proven every creator, every orator, every researcher with a single command can now produce world-class content. The age of the digital pulpit is here. Enterprise Agent Studio, autonomous servants of knowledge. Global viewers, Google Gemini Enterprise has dropped another bombshell. Agent Studio has officially gone live. That means you can now build, train, and deploy your own customized autonomous AI agents without writing a single line of code. These digital agents operate on permanent autopilot. What do these agents do? Automatically extract your business bills, run deep financial data audits, manage inventory pipelines, draft hyper-targeted viral marketing scripts. Viewers, remember this, the era of manual corporate labor is collapsing. The system is transferring absolute power back into the hands of independent creators. And here the blessed hadith rings out. زَيِّنُوا مَجَالِسَكُمْ بِذِكْرِ عَلِيِّ ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam. Adorn your gatherings with the remembrance of Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam. Baharul Anwar Allama Majlisi volume 39. And that Ali alayhi salam, whose remembrance illuminates every gathering, also warned us, An-nas niyamun faiza ma tuntabahu. People are asleep when they die, they wake up. Will we awaken now or sleep through the storm of technology. Flow Music app, the digital emergence of cosmic melody, and now the most shocking breakthrough of this entire rule out. Google has introduced an explosive new creative tool called flowmusic.app. You don't need expensive recording studios. You don't need sound engineers. Simply type your conceptual branding ideas or record your voice or upload an image, and this advanced sound architecture generates stunning high definition custom songs, complex background beats, and cinematic audio tracks tailored specifically and your brand identity. Viewers, think about it. The gap between thought and full fidelity musical production has officially been reduced to zero. This calls to mind the narration in Basair al-Darajat, where it is established that the knowledge of Imam Ali alayhi salam encompassed every reality of the cosmos. The Ahl Bayt taught us that knowledge has no ceiling. And today technology presents a faint glimpse of that boundless divine knowledge. Beside Daraja Sheikh Safar chapter on knowledge, the wall between idea and sound has fallen permanently. The ultimate kingdom of AI sync. My brothers, technology has accelerated to a point where hours of grueling human labor now rely on mere second of processing power. The matrix is moving fast. The old ways of working are obsolete. The creator and architects who step up right now and sync these advanced tools into their daily workflows will effortlessly conquer the global market, achieving total passive income sovereignty. Those who hesitate will be left behind in the dust of the old world. Imam Ali alayhi salam declared in Nahjul Balagha, Al-mulku yabqa mal-kufri wa la yabqa ma-zulm. A kingdom can endure alongside disbelief, but it cannot endure alongside injustice. Nahjul Balagha short sayings. Today's injustice is turning away from knowledge when its doors are wide open. Every human who distances himself from knowledge commits an injustice upon himself. Make your decision today become part of the digital Wilayat. When rivers of knowledge rise and swell a boundless tide, the pulpit of truth calls out and those of heart abide. Gemini has opened doors to knowledge wide and free, yet those paths bear fruit only for those joined to Wilayat's tree. The word of Mawla Ali alayhi salam still shines like light today. Whoever holds fast to knowledge holds the cosmos in their way. O noble viewers, today as we speak of the power of knowledge and the vast reach of technology, the heart turns instinctively towards that magnificent being whose knowledge was without limit, whose oppression is immortal. That Hussain alayhi salam, whose caravan inscribed upon the sands of Karbala a lesson that can neither be erased nor forgotten. When the barriers of knowledge are silenced, when the voice of truth is suppressed, Hussain al-Islam rises, and his rising is forever. Allahuf Sayyid ibn Taus Nafsul Mahmum Sheikh Abbas Kummi. Labbaik ya Hussain, Labbaik ya Abbas. Ya Allah, grant us the knowledge that draw us closer to truth, hasten the reappearance of our Imam of the age, alayhi salam. Amin. The system has evolved, the tools are live, and the market belongs to those who control the frequency. That is all for this profound breakdown. Stay tuned as the mission of Hussaini Supreme Commander continues to expose the next frontier of global truth. I am Muhammad Faisal Hussaini Advisor. Who is like me? I am Hussaini. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subscribe to the channel, share this video, write your thought below. Salam.